Welcome to clickmeproject.com. This is our project title, Cost Minimization Algorithms for Data Center Management. This is our project abstract. In this paper, we design both online and offline algorithm for this problem. For the offline algorithm, we formulate data center management as a cost minimization problem by considering the energy cost, delay cost to measure service quality, and switching cost to change server active idle mode. Then we analyze certain properties of an optimal solution which lead to a dynamic programming based algorithm. Moreover, we revising the solution procedure, we successfully eliminate the recursive procedure and achieve an optimal offline algorithm with a polynomial complexity. For the online algorithm, we design it by considering the worst case scenario for future workload. In simulation, we shows this online algorithm can always provide near optimal solutions. And this is our project data flow diagram. First, start the program. After starting the program, we must setting the cloud servers, both online and offline servers. We define the servers as the size of the server and what are the properties. So the setting in the cloud servers, and also we created the number of servers in the cloud number of cloud servers in the cloud services. After that, setting is cleared in the cloud servers, then create the jobs. It's a user creating jobs both for online and offline jobs. After creating the job, we assign the job value for each and every jobs to the cloud service and send the job to the both offline and online servers in the cloud services. After sending the jobs, and so cloud server will receive the files, and it analyze the jobs and calculate the needed servers to work for processing the files. And and after analyzing the server, it will take the needed server, and it will the servers change the switching the modes ideal into active mode. After active mode, and will be design and assign the server for the jobs. After assign the jobs and get the cost optimization report after completed the process of cloud services, process of the cloud sim. After getting the cloud optimization report, we get the energy cost and switching cost and delay cost for both online and offline algorithm, and then stop the program. Now we'll see the demo for our project. Click on the home.java and right click on it and run the file, and choose the run file option. And with the home screen of our project is running now, and it will click the start button to start our process. We can see the option here, offline data center settings and online data center setting, and offline user and online user. If we click before clicking setting the offline data setting for cloud center, we can go into the user settings. So we must complete the offline user data center and create the number of server, and will be created, and set the size of the server, and server 2 it's a large, server 3 put extra large. Now the database of the total report of the status of the each of the servers is here displayed now, and start the server. The offline server software is processing now, and then create online data center settings and create the server. And we created the number of 5 servers here, and that's setting that 5 servers. For now with the same we will set the this is defining the server of the online data center settings, and start the and also starting the process of the data centers, both offline and online data centers. And click to the click on online users, offline users. Offline cloud users will be generate a job because give the job or 2 or 3 anything we will give, and the job will be generated, and so create the job, and you can say define the job and assign the job for the and assign every file for the jobs, and job to select define any file assigned, and both of the job are designated now, and send that file. The job will be sent successfully to the offline cloud servers and receive that, and with the job 1 and its size, and job 2 and its size, and assign the servers for the web. And the job 1 is the job 1 for set for server 1, and job 2 for server 2, and start the process for online cloud servers. Online cloud service users, and we generate any files in 4, and assign the file for every jobs. Assign for that, and finally job 4. Now we assign that every for job 4 for the 4 jobs, and send it to the, and online processor is receive the there are 4 jobs here, and assign it to the server. The job 1 for server 1, and job 2, job 3, job 4 for server 2. Because it's a large server, it will handle the 3 or 4 or 5 servers jobs within the period of time. So then finally get the report, get the state offline status, and the server costs for the every thing, and server 1, active servers are server 1, server 2, total active servers are 2, and the idle server is 1, and to read card cost of the service, and active server is 1, and server 1 and server 2, total active server is server 2, and idle server is 3. Then next, calculate the offline algorithm, the energy cost and the switching cost and the delay cost for the offline algorithm, and calculate the energy cost and the switching cost and the delay cost for the online algorithm. Then close the program. Thanks to listeners.